10 things you can do with ChatGPT. Tip 1. Text completion. One of the most useful features of ChatGPT is its ability to complete sentences or paragraphs in a way that sounds natural. To get the best results, try to provide ChatGPT with as much context as possible. This will help it generate more accurate and relevant text. Tip 2. Text translation. ChatGPT can also be used for translation, making it a valuable tool for language learners or anyone looking to communicate with speakers of other languages. To get the most accurate translations, be sure to input clear and concise text. Tip 3. Language generation. ChatGPT can generate text that is similar to a given input, making it a great tool for generating new ideas, stories, or responses to prompts. To get the best results, try to provide ChatGPT with a clear and specific prompt. This will help it generate more focused and relevant text. Tip 4. Customer service. ChatGPT can assist with customer service inquiries, providing quick and accurate responses to common questions. This can save time and resources for businesses, while also providing a better experience for customers. To get the most out of ChatGPT for customer service, be sure to provide it with a comprehensive list of frequently asked questions and answers. Tip 5. Content creation. ChatGPT can generate content for websites, social media, or other platforms. This can be especially useful for creating unique content on a tight deadline. To get the best results, try to provide ChatGPT with specific keywords or topics to focus on. This will help it generate more relevant and targeted content. Tip 6. Personal assistants. ChatGPT can be used to build personal assistants that can help with tasks like scheduling, sending messages, or providing information. To get the most out of ChatGPT as a personal assistant, be sure to clearly communicate your needs and preferences. This will help it provide more accurate and helpful assistance. Tip 7. Chatbots. ChatGPT can be used to build chatbots that can engage in natural conversations with users. This can be useful for a variety of applications, including customer service, e-commerce, and more. To get the most out of ChatGPT as a chatbot, be sure to provide it with a comprehensive list of responses and conversation prompts. Tip 8. Text summarization. ChatGPT can be used to summarize long articles or documents, providing a brief overview of the main points. This can save time and make it easier to quickly understand complex topics. To get the best results, try to provide ChatGPT with a clear and specific topic to focus on. This will help it generate a more focused and relevant summary. Tip 9. Text classification. ChatGPT can classify text based on certain categories or topics, making it useful for tasks like sentiment analysis or spam detection. Tip 10. Question answering. ChatGPT can answer questions by generating responses based on the input provided. This can be a helpful tool for quickly finding answers to common questions. To get the best results, try to provide ChatGPT with clear and specific questions. This will help it generate more accurate and relevant answers. To get the most out of ChatGPT for text classification, be sure to provide it with a clear and comprehensive set of categories or topics. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more content.